Yes, it is 2025. Another year, another day. Time for you to get started with this great opportunity. In 2025, we're leveling up. Yes, we are. And I'm on this journey, and I want you all to be on the journey with me. So, with that being said, down below in the description below will be my link for you to get started on this journey of fixing your credit through our DIY credit program. It's an awesome opportunity. We give you all the information and tools that's needed. We have letters, we have trainings, we have coaches, myself, that can help you get on the track with this DIY credit program, because guess what? We want to be in that 800 or above club. It is time now. Let's get it together. We want to buy those homes, we want to buy those cars, we want to elevate financially. Let's get it. DIY credit program, software program, please. The link is linked below. Also, we're correcting our W-4s. We're cash flowing our money. Not only cash flowing, we're income shifting our dollars that are going to the government back to our pockets. That's what we're doing in 2025. We're fixing our credit through our DIY credit program. We're correcting our W-4s. We're income shifting with the ID Defender Plus. We're protecting our identity. We're saving on travel through our discount travel club. We can save you hundreds, if not thousands, on your vacation homes, your hotels, the resorts, the rental cars. We have it for you. We saving up to 70% on our travel. And not only that, we get to teach you how to write off those travel expenses, business expenses, because when you sign up, you become a business, and we teach you that through our program. We also have our tax that can help you do your taxes online. You don't have to walk into an office. You don't have to talk to anyone, or you can do it online through our software. That's the wonderful thing we have this year, and I'm excited about it. Yes, and you should too. With that, we also have investment education. Invest like the pros. We have the trainings. We have everything you need. What are you waiting for? Let's get it together. We're going to be financially successful in 2025, because some of us have started way back in 2024 and beyond, and we're moving forward. I appreciate every one of you who have signed up, and those of you who are going to sign up, I appreciate you, because now you've made the decision to start your financial journey. What better time to start than now? Because now you're helping not only yourself but your family, and that's the greatest thing. We want financial freedom. We want personal freedom. Now is the time for us to be financially free and be on this journey. Join the journey with me, Team VeeSuccessful. Join the VeeSuccess journey. The link will be down below for you to get started with our DIY credit program, our ID Defender Plus, our discount travel club. We have it for you. We even have an app that you can put your money in. List your things, your goals, financial goals, and they help you balance all those things out in our cash flow app. Listen, this is the time now. Don't let the opportunity pass you by. Let's get to work. Let's start successful. You can't be afraid. You ready to make money? You ready to get ahead? You ready to do the things that you want to do? You ready to travel? You ready to help other people? Some people want to help others, but they're not financially where they want to be, or they're not successful where they want to be. But we can help you on that journey today. Do not wait. This is the opportunity for you. If you have a phone, you have a computer, you have all of the mobile devices, then you can do this opportunity. Don't be afraid. All you need is a small investment to join the membership. You can start today posting from your phone. We give you all the information you need through our back office and the social media. We have that for you. We have the things you need to post on social media. All you're doing is taking information through your phones, your laptops, your tablets, whatever you want to use, or even word of mouth. Share the information with your coworkers. Share the information with your family. Share the information with your kids, your friends, whoever, your neighbors, your church members. Sign them up. They can start making money along with you. We are not doing this alone. 2025 is going to take a community of people. I'm about community. Join the financial success journey community today, and let's be on our way to financial freedom. There's nothing like it. Let's be financially free. 2025, we're going to be financially free. We're going to start the journey. It's not going to happen overnight, like I've always said. It's going to be a journey. It's going to be a process, but we're going to have fun doing it. We're going to make money along the way. You ready to join the VeeSuccessful Journey team and start making money today? Link in the description. Click the button. Subscribe for more content like this. I will be putting out weekly content, if not daily. Let's get started. I'm here to help you along the way. Please check out my other content because it's going to help you. It's going to be some gems in there that will help you. You have to be 18 and US based for this opportunity. But a little secret, we are going to go global soon. Don't say I didn't tell you. I don't have all the information right now. I can't tell you that. But you want to be here when we do go global. Connect with me. The link should be here on the screen somewhere and also down below. Sign up. I'm ready to help coach, lead, and guide you. We're on this journey together. You ain't in it by yourself because I want to be financially free too. And I'm on that journey and I'm here to help you. So don't leave me on this journey by myself. But I'm okay being on it by myself. But come on, I want to bring some friends along. I want to help you also. This is a fun journey, 2025. We're doing this together. Join the community today. The Financial Success Journey community today. We're going to be successful in 2025, no matter what's going on in 2024. That's gone. We going forward, 2025. Let's do this. We're going to be successful in 2025. We getting our bag. We getting our money. We being successful. We are elevating to the 800 club in the credit. We getting our credit up so we can start investing more. We're writing off our business expenses. Like I've told you, this program, we have it. We got investment education. If this is something you interested in, your kids, your family interested in, let's do it. You have any questions, contact me in the comments and we will do whatever we can to assist you. For those who are ready to get started, and I'm excited about your journey, you ready to get started, that link is down below as well. Click that link, get started, and I see you on the other side, the money making side. Let's go. It's 2025. I wish you all well. Success.